Nagpaalam siya over a month ago that he'll take a leave of absence for 2 weeks. Nagkasakit daw kasi yung nanay niya and he had to take care of his siblings. Kiko has been secretive and bahis lonesome the week before siya nawala. I think he's still struggling with his past, especially the death of his father.
Father, pasensya na po, tubig lang maiaalok namin sa inyo ngayon.
Salamat po. Kailan niyo po bang huling nakausap si Kiko?
Yung huling text niya po, maglilimang araw na po, Father.
Nag-report na po ba kayo sa polis?
Kahapon lang po.
May balita na ba tungkol kay Kiko? Sabi ng nanay niya, he was reported missing since a few days ago.
Pasensya ka na, Father, ha? Sabi nung nanay niya, hindi lang daw makontak. Nagtago.
As far as I know, wala siyang tinakbuhan kahit anong kaso dito.
Hindi niyo ko kasi nakikita yung nakikita namin sa ground. Dito lang kayo para linisin yun. Di ba yun naman yung gusto nating lahat? Hello? Yes, Chief. Father, kailangan natin bumalik ng CPD-6. Nakita na daw si Kiko.